everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. One of the leading show in Mzansi Magic, the multi-award winning fans favorite The River, is announcing the departure of three of its cast members: Hlomla Dandala as Zweli Dikana, Lawrence Malika as Zolani, and Tango Ncetezo as Paulina are leaving the telenovela to new ventures. As three of the top performers in the country, they've given viewers plenty to talk about and be entertained by, from storylines that brought out their characters' dark sides to softer, lighter moments. Zweli being the softest husband in the whole world and stupid one, Zolani being Auntie's second in command, and Paulina being a Mrs. Mkwena who suffered so much ngendaba yengane egcine nayo esimlahlekela, and waphinde futhi walahlekelwa ama family members Mabutho and Lindani. Guys, she suffered a lot on screen, Paulina, but anyway, yeah, she is leaving. Speaking on behalf of the production, Usheli Adonisi, director of local entertainment channel on Mnet, said, we would like to thank Hlomla, Lawrence and Tango for their priceless contribution to the show, as well as their incredible work that went into giving their characters life. They all brought professionalism, dedication, presence and charisma to the table, and we have loved working with them on the show. We look forward to seeing what their adventure holds. So yeah guys, Zinjaloge Izindaba, it's been an amazing journey. We fell in love with them, and I can't even imagine The River without them. Their final scene will air at various dates and time in the near future. We wish them all the best, guys. We wish them all the best. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion ukuthi ubani ozomkhumbula kakhulu, ubaba uZweli, uZolani or uPaulina. Bye.